BrandDream FACTORY. ColorBlush Pink PatternPiper. MaterialPolyester. Product dimensions 84L x37W. Room type bathroom, Playroom. PatternPiper. 100% polyester. Dream Factory kids and teen window curtain panel treatments can help you quickly style a fashionably fun kids' bedroom with colorful fabrics and unique designs. Our versatile curtains mix and match beautifully with many bedroom themes and add the finishing touch to your cute and cozy room. Coordinate your little one's Dream Factory trucks, tractors, cars, princess, butterflies, unicorn rainbow, mermaid and dinosaur themed bedding in an instant with Dream Factory whimsical curtains and drapes. Free from harmful substances and standard 100 by OEKO-TEX certified. Carefully crafted designs call for consciously sourced production. At Dream Factory, quality production is our priority. We select from the best factories to produce our styles safely and with proper care. Shop our wide selection of Dream Factory curtains and easily decorate your home. Choose form sheer fabric that softly filters light or from room darkening curtains with lining that filters out enough sunlight and heat so your little one can enjoy their naps or playtime. Give your kids' bedroom, nursery, or playroom a new look. Easy care, machine washable, 100% polyester fabric. Includes 2 curtain panels, 37 by 63 inches, or 37 by 84 inches, 3-inch rod pocket. Complete you look with our collection of Dream Factory bed-in-a-bag sets, boys comforter sets, girls comforter sets, kids sheet sets, coordinating bathroom accessory sets, shower curtains, bath towels, bath rugs and storage bins. Each sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Very cute and just what we were looking for. Light, sheer and great condition. Would be nice if the curtains were a little wider, but if we had used them for a window they would have been perfect. So I'm really happy with them.